Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl MS170. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything, I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And they want sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Alright guys, you know me, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine, this is a damaged equipment. And this baby so far, what I'm looking at is missing the carburetor and the cover for the lock, you know, the cover for the chain. That's the only thing I've seen so far, and both for the, well, a few things. Just remind me a joke. And then we're gonna come here. You can see here a little bit of the flywheel. I don't. It looks like maybe it's too tight. You gotta work on that. Remember, the idea is maybe you need a flywheel, you need a coil, maybe you just need this or you need that or that, the muffler. Maybe you need. I don't know. Maybe you want to hang it. That's what I do in my store. I'm sorry that I repeat it many times because even like this, you still have problems with customers. You understand, right? Okay, good. It's missing the carburetor here, but at least we have it here, the acceleration. So yeah, I put this on top there. Let me see what we got here. See if at least we can pick a little. Okay. Okay, we have the part here that locks loose. We're gonna lock it to see where we are. Okay, at least sounds. That means good. It's locked. I'm gonna unlock it. At least so far, with the part of the lock is working. It's looking good. I think it's missing something here, right? Yeah, it's missing one screw there. Yep. Let's see from what we got. In case you're new in my store, I take everything apart. Like that can be fair with you guys. And I can show you everything. Like that, the same way when you receive the machine, you can be fair with me. I know that I go the extra step. Perfect, that's what I've been doing for a long time and it's been working for me. Inside there, I'm gonna throw a picture with a flash, so don't worry about it. Alright. And this one is missing the carburetor. We're just gonna do the test on the coil to see if it's working. I can throw a little gas here, maybe we can go blah blah blah, but that would not make any big deal. You know, let me look inside to see how we got the tank. It looks like somehow maybe carburetor went bad on this baby and just start picking her hair and violating her, taking parts. That's not fair. Alright. Let me just try the coil to see where we're at. I always get so. Alright. Just gonna put one screw here. Maybe one here and that's it, just for a moment. Alright. Okay, this is the spark plug that came with it. Remember, we also have to check it all the time. It doesn't look bad either. It doesn't look clean, but maybe we'll do the job for what we want. I'm gonna double check on the spot to see who got spark plug. Alright, you can see it there. Okay, well, so far we know the coil works, flywheel works, and handle works. Okay, we got those 3 things are working so far. I'm not gonna throw gas there to pop up, makes sense. You already know the coil works. Alright, you have it there, guys. Any questions? I'm here. I'm gonna put everything back like always and throw good pictures, alright? Thank you for everything. Hola mi gente, que me dice la raza, que se una la raza. Bueno, tenemos un Stihl MS170. Recuerden mi gente que yo vendo para partes, por eso es que la desarmo y eso normalmente lo hubiéramos tratado de arrancar, pero le falta el carburador. Yo le puedo tirar gasolina aquí directo, pero para qué vamos a formar ese lío por gusto. Ya hice una prueba y la bobina funciona, la mariposa funciona y la ladera funciona. De ahí para allá recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Si usted está tratando de arreglar esta máquina, eso está en usted y es por usted, no por mí. Yo vendo para partes, pues si que quieras el mofle, quieras esto. O quién sabe, puede ser que la quieras guindar porque te trae recuerdo cuando eras niño. Esta es la tienda perfecta para ti. Ya saben, ahí le hice la prueba al cloche, vieron que traba y todo. Cualquier cosita, aquí estamos mi gente, que se una a la raza.